What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I am with my BMW 330i today. So I'm going to install some bonnet insulation and two covers that were missing from I don't know, maybe it's because it's a CKD unit, so the bonnet insulation and the covers are not available. But I'm going to show you guys the installation of the parts that I ordered from China. And I mean, it seems to be like of high quality, and which I'll find out during the installation. So that's the installation for the bonnet insulation, which is this, and the cover, both sides. So that is the end of the installation. So it's pretty simple, but I think I'm going to improve something, which is the clips. The clips that came with the cover set didn't really fit properly, so I think I'm going to go to a part shop to get some BMW original clips to mount the cover properly. Then it probably won't fly off. So I guess that's about it. If you got any question, comment on the comment section below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video.